Today is the 25th day of my 90-day Reels challenge, and so I'm celebrating. I'm doing it. 25 days. Yahoo! Are you this person who is doubting yourself? Can I do this business without business experience? Is this you? Are you stopping yourself because you are scared that you cannot do the business because you do not know? You haven't enough experience. Come to think of this, okay? How can you have an experience if you will not try it? Because when you don't try and start, you will never have an experience. You need to do it in order for you to have an experience in this online business. So sign in on my website, guys, at www.startwithregina.com, and we're gonna teach you how you can do this one correctly so that you are not going to doubt yourself if you can or if you cannot. But we are going to shift you into a mindset that yes, you can. You can do this business without experience. I myself, I did this when I started in this business. I have no experience in this global business community. I do not know what I am getting into it, but I believe in myself. I am convinced that this is the business that will make a difference. I was convinced and I see myself on it. So I see the vision that I see myself on it, that I can do this business. So if you can see that yourself, that you can do this business, even if you have no experience, this is where I come into. I will be your mentor because I already know how this business is running. I am already experiencing the challenges and the bumps of this online business, of running and starting my own online business. So partner with me, sign in on my website at www.startwithregina.com, and I can guide you how you can do this business without any experience. We are your vehicle. We're gonna guide you to get to the destination that you want to reach. So sign in on my website at www.startwithregina.com and let us guide you to get to the direction that you wanted to reach. Use us as your vehicle because we can help you. We are already there. We are already getting the result that you want to achieve. So we already know the journey. We have already plotted the road for you and laid out the carpet for you so that you can have an easy way, a straight destination to the destination that you want to go. So sign in on my website, and we hope we can show you that this is the answer to your problems, that this is the chances. This is your chance. This is the tools that you can use to take yourself to the destination that you want. So sign in on my website. Bye for now.